Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 3 Hidden Springs in Pittsford.
This is a spectacular architect-designed waterfront property, truly a nature's paradise.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends in luxury with a porte-cochere covered entry, leading to this grand vaulted ceiling 2-story foyer with a modern staircase and beautiful hardwood floors, plus an adjacent powder room. Open to the elegant formal dining room with crown molding and great natural light. And a spacious living room featuring crown molding and expansive windows to take in those nature views.
This is phenomenal open living with a vaulted ceiling great room, with a gorgeous gas fireplace and mantle, a wet bar and beverage cooler, a wall of windows with scenic pond views, and beautiful hardwood floors. Open to the granite kitchen with gorgeous Quaker-made cabinetry, a center island breakfast bar, high-end appliances, and a dining area with deck access and those scenic pond views, plus an adjacent powder room and laundry.
Relax and unwind in this luxurious and private first-floor owner suite with pond views, and on a chilly night, enjoy the gas fireplace. Plus elegant details of crown molding, a walk-in closet, and a spa bathroom with a double vanity, jetted tub, and a tile shower. A great sanctuary after a long day. The excitement continues upstairs with 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. And from the landing, a beautiful view of the great room.
Prepare to entertain and have fun in this finished walkout lower level, with an abundance of space with a media area, gaming area, office area or potential bedrooms, full bathroom, and more. Great for all your activities or a potential in-law suite, all with scenic pond views. Take in those amazing pond views and sounds of nature from the expansive deck, complemented with beautiful landscaping and majestic mature trees. What a spectacular lot! Enjoy over 250 feet of beautiful waterfront.
You could have it all in this Pittsford dream home. Hidden Springs is a neighborhood of fine homes nearby the Pittsford Y and the U of R Medical Center. Here we are in Showen Place in the village of Pittsford.
Pittsford is known for its fabulous restaurants, great shops, and specialty boutiques. Situated on the historic Erie Canal, great for a walk, kayak ride, or boat ride. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 3 Hidden Springs in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!